Hi, I'm Jessica Limbaugh, brokered by Elite by the Beach. We're standing here at the Cotton Bayou Condominiums. I'd love to show you what this investment opportunity has to offer. In this current market, Cotton Bayou just sold for $562,000. It's projected to bring in $55,000 in gross rental income. Welcome to Cotton Bayou. As soon as you walk in, you are going to fall in love with this professionally decorated condo. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath unit. The master bedroom hosts a king-size bed with plenty of storage and a private ensuite overlooking the pool. The guest bedroom hosts a queen-size bedroom, also plenty of storage for you to be able to have a long-lasting trip. This fully equipped kitchen is everything that you will need during your stay. One of my favorite features about this oasis is the loft. Head up the tiger stripe stairs and have your own private getaway, which hosts a queen-size bed, lounging chair, couch, and TV. Cotton Bayou has so much to offer the vacationer that likes to stay on the go. This unit overlooks the pool, grilling area, and pavilion. You're steps away from the newly upgraded boat dock that includes first come, first serve boat slips. I'm Jessica Limbaugh, brokered by Elite by the Beach. If you're looking for your own investment opportunity, I'd love to help you out. Give me a call at 251-949-2100 and we can find your perfect fit.